The Amazon rainforest, also known as Amazonia, is located in South America and is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering an area of 5,500,000 square kilometers. Only 6% of the Earth's surface is covered in rainforests, and of that, the Amazon rainforest covers more than half of the world's remaining rainforests. Due to its large area, the Amazon rainforest covers the territory from 9 nations, the largest part of which is in Brazil. The climate in the region is predominantly tropical with hot, humid, and very moist conditions. Habitat for at least 10% of the world's known biodiversity, it is home to more than 16,000 different tree species, 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 427 mammals, and 380 reptile species that have been classified within the region. Due to its large area, the rainforest produces 6 to 9% of the world's oxygen and is perhaps the reason why it is known as the lungs of the planet.